Now, residents of Makurdi, the Benue state capital, have been welcoming the 2023 harvest season with joy and high expectations. This, they say, is due to the fact that the cost of providing food will drastically reduce with the coming of maize and other food crops that are relatively affordable for the common man. Let's take a look at that report.
With the coming of the harvest season, sights like women selling roasted corn along the street are now a recurring decimal. For these women, it is business time and it is therefore an economic booster of their homes.
This maize, as I sell and finish, I get, if I buy the one bag, I will sell it like 16,000. As I buy like 8,000, as I sell like 16,000. My gain is like, as I buy 2 bags, I'm selling sometimes market day. I go sell like 20-something. If maize go finish, you know go finish on time. But to go still manage them, get them small. But again, they inside the market well.
To the consumers, there's a huge sigh of relief as one can easily deal with hunger with 1 cob of corn, which costs an average of 100 naira. The residents said in spite of inflation, maize is affordable for even those who are not primary farmers or producers.
Well, I want to appreciate God so much for helping us because we experienced hunger from the month of January up to June. When people now begin to harvest corn, we discover that the hunger reduced because for you to keep yourself busy, at least you eat corn so that you sustain yourself. So now hunger has reduced. Like now they are selling 100 now, but before then they used to sell 150 or 200. But now even 15 ourselves, when you beg somebody, they can even give you the maize of 15 or even 100. So the thing is getting better gradually.
It's better now because with your 100 naira you can buy a corn and eat and take your water and be satisfied.
Unlike the month of June and early July, smiles are returning to the faces of many who said during harvest seasons, food crops come in abundance and are affordable in all markets. Jimmy Azandi, Trust TV News, Makurdi.